Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Like I said before, I'm gonna show you how to do the Bantu knot braid. My lady's gonna do it for me, so that's the style I'll be rocking for the next 2 weeks or so. So come along, let me show you how to do it. This hairstyle is also called China Bombs. I'm not really sure why it's called China Bombs. I have no idea. So please do leave a comment down below if you know why it's called China Bombs, because this definitely is not made in China. Sorry, leave a comment down below. Hey guys, so what we are doing is we are sectioning the hair into 8. So once it's done, I will show you again, but we are using blades to lay it down and then use elastic band, the little ones. Yeah, that's what she's using. I think it makes the hair quite the braiding easy once you do it like this. Guys, so now the sections are done. I think I got more than 8. I wanted 8, but we got more than 8. So let me show you. Just braiding now. Make the braiding so fast. Shoo, same goal. Hey guys, so now the braids are done. All we are about to do is to twist it. I must admit, I'm feeling this braid. I'm feeling it. I don't know if the Bantu braids will come along, but hey, who knows? I'm feeling this right now. So it's just to twist it like that. Look at it. So that's all. That's it. You see, quite easy. Take it like so, and then you twist it. You twist it. Twist. Then you twist it like that. Twist, 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 and that's it. You're done. So guys, I am done, but I left one out to show you how easy it can be. all you do is to take it like so, twist it around, see, twist it, twist, and that's it. Okay, guys, I am done. How do I look? Let me turn around. Hey. Okay, thank you guys so much for joining me. Please do make sure that you subscribe to my channel and be part of my amazing family. Thank you. I'm feeling myself.